Hello everyone! In every video, I like to share simple natural remedies that help me fight my inflammation. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I drink on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Just half a teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of this, and it's called kalonji oil or black seed oil. I've been doing this for years now and it has made a big difference on my digestion, joint pain, energy, and my skin. So, what is it? Kalonji oil or black seed oil comes from Nigella sativa seeds. These are powerful ingredients that have been used across Asia for years now. I will show you how I make this at home, and this has made a big difference on my inflammation and side effects of my autoimmune disease. I pray this works for you as well. First, I got about half a cup of Nigella seeds, also known as black caraway or black seeds or black cumin seeds. I'm going to put this in a dry pan, so a pan with no water. I'm just going to dry roast this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we are dry roasting this to enhance the flavor. Then I added 1 cup of oil to this. You want the flavors of the seeds to be infused in the oil. After a few minutes, once the mixture is cooled down, I put the seeds and the oil in a grinder and I want to grind this into a fine paste. The finer the grinded seeds, the better. Then put the grinded seeds in a glass mason jar and seal this tight. I separated some of the oil when grinding this, but I added this back onto the mason jar and now I sealed it tight and I will keep it in a nice warm place. So the process is for 6 days. In the morning, I'll keep it out in the sun. In the evening time, I'll bring it back in where it's nice, cool and dry. After 6 days, I finally opened this and I stirred this all up together. How does it taste? I find this peppery, but it has a very nice strong aroma to it too. I have been doing this for so long now, and this helps me with pain in my joints, swelling, and arthritis as well. You can start doing this with 1 teaspoon and then see how you feel, and then move on to 1 tablespoon a day. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really do hope you try to make this and find relief in it like I do. Please like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes and new ideas like this as well, which bring relief. Have a great day.